CEO of Bleaching Association of Ghana. Bukom Banku, in matter don't reach me today. He and Patapa's ex-girlfriend. In fact, they chop love. Rough. They drink calm. They rub. No be smart. You see, even they make people they feel jealous. People where they single. They don't even as in some kind things. No be small matter. And now they declare the love. The woman even come they send message to Patapaa. Say as Patapaa don't marry in your brony. Say she too. She don't find her brony. I beg my people. Don't be from my mouth to not go hear them. I beg make we go listen to Queen. Make we watch the video.
Now, Patapaa, if you don't love me and they love you. Patapaa, if you don't love black woman, me and they love black woman. Now, say you love me, kiss me. Say something.
Patapaa, if you don't love me and you go in for a brony, I also love my brony.
Everybody say Banku. My name is Drama Kamoko, aka Bukom Banku. The only a foolish dog run after the flying bird. This is my latest album. Don't you know her?
Yes.
Patapaa former girlfriend. He loved me rough, kiss me. Ghanaians, you see, and now we go marry. Say something for them.
So if Patapaa doesn't love me again, I love Bukom Banku.
Yes, ma'am. Only second one.
Only second one.
Madness. Madness in highest order. No, una no listen to wetin I listen. See the kissing. This one even they bring out tongue. They put we don't even know whether the man self don't bath for 2 days. They use your tongue. They lick. Jesus Christ. At least Patapaa won't better. You understand? Because Patapaa marry real obroni. You go carry fake person. You say na obroni. I beg which obroni? No, na that one wey don't rub all those 10 times in this cream. Where they say, where the teeth don't they peel in skin safe. Na that one that they call brony. Una you see, una sabi 4% hand. Like bad, una sabi 4% hand. Patapaa they enjoy himself. Oh. As we they talk like this. Before the next time we una go see Patapaa, the freshness, in fact, the freshness go they smell dollars. This one they here, they una tough una just they mumu na self. Patapaa we una even they kill na self for. They put head for woman boobs. They correct secret. I bet see, not be everything person go they talk. You understand? By now, una supposed don't get sense. Ladies and guys, if una look for man or woman, make una open una ear. Enter from see, I dey tell you, if una dey look for man or woman, who una go dey date, after una don't break up, look for person where they presentable. Like no, which are the title be say, for instance, now if I dey relationship, my boyfriend break my heart. The next guy where I go date, he must find past my boyfriend in face and in cash. You understand? Because you need to show levels. See this one. From Patapaa to this one. No, wait till be the upgrade in this matter now. No, now make una tell me, make it not be like say at the bad belly person. I won't know. You understand? The way they see this girl, I don't know for now, but the way they see Patapaa do the right thing, breaking up with her. Now they understand. See who this girl they compare with Patapaa. The guys, he look like masquerade. It look like waiting go soon disappear. Because of people like this guy, Because of people like you, everybody now come to say, Ghana girls they cheap, Ghana girls they cheap. Because of your desperation. Why you not too they desperate? Yeah, I dey sure say you no even know. This Mr. Banku way they follow, he don't marry. My people they say the man even marry 5 wives in 4 years. Which kind of magic be this one? And the one where I don't even feel wait for now when they go start they punch this guy. When this man start they punch you like fufu, you no go even see road. Come outside, they do this nonsense video where they do. By then, Patapaa don't get like 2 children, I be 3 children. See, no rush life. Take life easy. You understand? Because the bit where you go receive. I bet bring Patapaa come outside, Joe. My man. Manu. Oh, you they give me joy. Bia, enjoy your home. You understand? Let nothing shake you. Who won't shake you before when I dey here? Let nothing shake you. Oh. Fire down. Fire down in the morning. Fire down in the afternoon. Fire down in the night. In fact, you don't even need doctor's prescription. Just the fire they go. You understand? You get my full support. I dey like people like this. Me, I know they like stress. No mind mumu people where they here. No, these two people say they just foolish. Imagine, man wear lash, woman too wear lashes. So who can be the man for this relationship? Last, it go end in tears. No be here we dey. Now here we dey now, and now here una go still hear the news. Now why una need subscribe? Because una go dey miss all this interesting begin. You understand? Yes, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share this video, make everybody know wetin dey share for this house. And don't forget say I love you guys so every time. Yes, I will see you later. Yes, my people, I don't come again with another wahala. Bobrisky, our Nigerian man, the number one man where we dey for Nigeria. Any other man a counterfeit. Bobrisky now come give girls advice. So she, according to her, she say, make you no date one man. All of una we no say una dey loyal to one guy. She don't come tell una say. No be so supposed be una supposed get different sources of income. And if you know say you get pum pum, you know suppose they broke. Una understand now wetin they talk. He say, I'm a good girl. I don't date broke guys. I don't cheat on my boyfriend. I don't go out. He say all these things una dey talk. Since when una know they come out, how much una don't make. No be for my mouth, una go hear am. Now why I bring am here? So I beg. I want make una hear Bobrisky with una own ears. Make we watch am.
I'm going to follow Bobrisky's advice in 2021. Raise your hand up. Good girl, no they pay. Oh. Hope you know that. I'm a good girl. I don't go out. I don't want to cheat on my boyfriend. I don't want to... You know they pay. Your good girl where you do since last year. 2020. Wait till you see for dear. Let me hook your fucking ass up, bitch. Let the money spender spend on you. You go see money, you go fear. All those good girls where they stay for hours. I don't used to go out. I don't used to... cheat on my boyfriend. I don't want to. You did your body. You are still broke. You get pum pum. You are broke. Ha!
Hey. While I don't wear bone straight too. My people, I who allow Bobrisky enter 2021? Who be that person? Because now see. All this problem where we supposedly for 2020 don't follow us enter. Bobrisky, you are the number one problem where we get for this year. Year never even start, my people. 1 week never even reach for this new year. Bobrisky don't bring another resolution, a be revolution. And I know say many of una now una go dey hail am, una go dey hype am for una mind. You don't come talk better thing. All of una join for the foolishness. Una join. Person will never even be faithful with your own gender. They can't explain. They can't advise una too una go dey follow. See, person wey dey tell una make una no cheat. Una don't ever ask una self question before say this person wey dey advise us how in life be. No, una don't sit down before ask am. If you break up with boyfriend wey you get, una know say some people get boyfriend wey no be say they too rich but they try. If you get that kind of person, you can't follow Bobrisky advice. Or na your case. No go disappoint. See, I dey tell una now because all these things I don't see them before. I don't see them before. Now advice. Boy, where they manage, they push you small. You go leave them because you dey follow people where go they give you bigger notes. You know. See, people destiny they different. You understand? You get the one way, no be so they do. Armed robber figure they thief for 2 years. They no catch them. You wey one join. The first day where you go, now so they go catch you. Now so it be for this matter. She in the do am. You never get any issue. The moment where you go try am, either you go get HIV, they go use you for rituals, or they go kill you there. So make una think 2 times before una go they do some kind of things. You understand? Now wow, I beg, bring this girl outside. I be man. Sorry, my people. Nah, man, I don't forget. Mama the papa, I be papa the mama. Wetin I even wan call you sef? You dey see yourself? No, for your mind now, you don turn adviser, relationship counselor. Now you no go advise turn to DK first. No, una dey see people wey una dey follow, una mentor. See, good girls still exist. And good girls dey pay. See, may nobody change una mind. Good girls dey pay. Before people like Bobrisky enter this world, una no be good before. So wetin happen? Una die, but now una wan come change am. See, as God give Bobrisky grace enter 2021, if he get sense, no be to repent. No, you don't make am, because now una remember the talk where I can't talk about Bobrisky say this 2021 in they go Colombia go do this thing. Now be saying that this year it go happen. But na only God know why he even no allow am die for 2020. So na advice I dey give am. At least now, as you see say you no die, you for use this one. You understand? Change your ways. I no go talk past this one. No, see, my own be say if you choose to sell your body, Mr. Bobrisky, no be my problem. But my problem be say when you don't dey pass the same thing to other people, you don't dey influence other people on this same matter, because leave people alone. See, die your death alone. No allow people to follow you to die. Now that one I no go tolerate. Una understand? So if I be una, I go start dey think 2 times before I dey do some kind things. Now wow. Anyhow, I no go talk past this one, because if I continue to dey talk, law enforcement dey hear me, government dey hear me, politicians dey hear me. Una never do anything. I no fit kill myself. My own be say young ladies. Think am, you understand? Manage that boy where you get, even if na carpenter, even if na mechanic, manage am, dey push. E go shock una. Yes, so my people, na the matter wey dey here be this. So, and no forget say another interesting one day. This one happen for Ghana. My fellow Ghanaians, how far na how una dey? I don't bring una matter. All of una wey like to dey wobe. My people, shortage of club don shele for Ghana. Club, no, sorry, Ghanaians they call am club. E don shortage like now. E be like gold. Before you go see this thing, person no even mind sef. See, right now they show say very soon they go start dey do rituals because of club. E don shortage. People even dey sleep for depots. People, no be small matter. Even hotel people, restaurant, bar, people where they run all those places, now they sleep for depot all in the name of club. But my question be say, if na church they go sleep. Make I no waste una time, my people. The video dey na I say make I bring her for una. So for una we no know wetin dey happen for Ghana now. I beg watch am.
For the past 3 weeks, club beer has been one precious alcoholic drink that has been hard to come by in the one municipality. Hoteliers, restaurant and bar operators hop from one depot to the other searching for it. These operators will usually get up early morning, coming around the various sales point or depots, hoping to at least spot a truck loaded with a precious commodity. Once it is spotted, they swarm there like bees and plead on the salesmen to sell for them. In some cases, they have their wishes answered, and others have to go through frustration. This Echa truck, belonging to Bazaarware Enterprise, was spotted during the wee hours of Monday in front of the depot located on the Contraband Street opposite the White House. Dana Delay owns Zamview Bar and she's been here since 5 a.m.
6 morning. 5 something. I was here. I'm not getting the drinks.
Why are you not getting it?
The queue is too much. We are not getting some.
Frustrated about it.
In the morning, I even want to lock. I'm testing.
Now wow. So Ghanaians they drink like this. No, I don't be say I never see them, but this one too much. I dey sure say people even feel start they kill each other all in the name of beer. Before, I don't know how many of you remember na shortage of condom. Nobody they see condom buy. This one just scarce. Now they don't add beer. Don't come inside the picture. Ha! Wahala dey for Ghana. No, una dey imagine this thing. No condom, no beer. Abeg hospitals make una get ready o, because e go yakpa like this. E go plenty. No. Una watch the video. Una see the queue as people dey line up, people dey crowded, and this period now nobody even dey consider say okay corona fit exist. They all their mind be say club. Because now like this imagine if people dey booze. You know how men dey behave when they don't take. Imagine as they dey booze and they buy condom and now no condom, no boozy. Everybody just dey. Ha! Wahala. Abeg, where our President Nana, sir, please, you are needed urgently in this country. You need to see whatever you have shut down, lift it up. If not, the one way go happen for this country go be disastrous. In fact, you no go even see road run away. You need to do something about this thing, because now the thing, the way the thing they enter, imagine even before wey condom dey, people still dey shoot anyhow, they carry belle anyhow. No, can't imagine if condom no come dey. No, who want dey carry all those things? See, now they use all this shortage of beer and things. They inflate prices. Before, this club where people won't die for now, no ordinary 5 cedis. 5 cedis you go drink. Now, they don't make the thing up to 7 cedis. Omo, una wey poor. No, una know una self all of una wey dey broke, wey una no fit do without alcohol. Now, I wan see how una go dey survive all these things. Why una dey look me like this? I no dey drink Now my friends tell me the price, you understand? Me, I no dey drink, I be virgin. Talk if you want talk, I be virgin, na your virgin. Abeg my people, na the matter be this Ghana. I wan know wetin una dey think wetin they suppose do now? How they go bring in club so that some people with restaurant and bars and hotel go dey move again? Because now I be like saying that the beer where they move for Ghana be this Ghana's #1, Ghana's champion na be this, and they miss. So wetin una think? Wetin cause am? If you get any idea, if you know, see, just drop out for the comment section. You know say I dey here for una and I go reply una one by one. Yes, na Aproko show be this. Don't forget, subscribe, share this video, make everybody know wetin dey share for here. I go see you now later.